In this video, we will be taking a look at our sample integration.js file. This is a follow-up to the previous video where we took a look at the sample HTML page used to load the viewer. If you'll recall, in the sample HTML page, we loaded the script file sample integration.js. Here we see the sample integration.js file, which does a few important things. First, it adds an event listener on the Brava Ready event. The Brava Ready event will be fired by the viewer when the viewer code is loaded and ready. The function that handles the Brava Ready event is where we do most of the initialization of the viewer for a particular integration. Here we set the search host URL for the search service, the markup host URL for the markup service. Here we set HTTP headers. This is important because this is where we set the authorization token for this particular integration style. And then we use the add publication API to actually load the publication into the viewer. For this example, we will be using a small program called FiatDoc to simulate authentication and publication creation. So we can start that file. This will authenticate with OTDS and create the publication. Now we can start our small Node.js application that's going to serve up the viewer integration code. The Node.js application is listening on port 3000 from localhost, and we will load the sample HTML file. And that's it. With sample HTML and sample integration.js, we have written enough code to load publication into the viewer. In our next video, we will take a look at setting more complex layouts for the viewer.